Hi, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been quite a while since my last video. I think it was January 22, I think it was. But anyway, still here, still going, and I'm still cracking on with this MG. I've also got the mini project as well. Last 18 months really have been quite difficult. There's been a lot of things going on. It's been a bit of a struggle getting parts for this, and a number of other things. It's just been a very difficult time, really, overall. But you know, the MG is progressing really well. Engine's in, as you can see, and we're pretty much on getting onto the final straights. Bits of interior has gone in as well, and you know, I'm progressing really well with it. It's one of those. Classic car restoration is a tough job. It's very difficult. Excuse the chicken in the background having a go. There's a farm just down the road. You know, so it is a difficult thing. And obviously, when I lost the workshop about 2 years ago, things changed, and it has been difficult ever since. In so much of that, you know, I've had to get another job to, you know, keep my funds alive. So I've been very much doing the restoration work that I've got left in my spare time, just to get it done as quickly as I physically can. Unfortunately, it has taken a lot longer than expected, and it's just one of those unfortunate things. But you know, progress is happening. It is going steady. Like I said, the MG is coming on really, really well. What the future really holds for my restoration sort of side of things, well, obviously I'm going to get the MG finished, I'm going to get the Mini done, and you know, I've got a load of second-hand spares to sell and get rid of, not to pass on. And I was recently at Middlewich Classic Car Show, got rid of, you know, moved on a lot there, and the rest of it I need to go through and get it up on the eBay account, so it's available for anyone to buy, you know, to make life easier. So yeah, I don't really know where I'm going with the business, the restoration side of the business these days, but you know, I am still here, I am still working away at things, and I don't really know where I'm going to go with the channel, but I will say thank you very much, because we have just actually hit 3,000 subscribers on it, so thank you very much for that. I do appreciate that. So that pretty much is going to wrap up this little video, just to update you of where I am with things. So do remember to like, share, subscribe, all that kind of stuff, and I'll hopefully see you a bit sooner than it's been since the last video. So you guys take care, and I'll see you then.